Ravi is a young man who works in a busy city. Every day, he hears English around him, at work, on the phone, and on the street. Ravi understands English, but he rarely speaks it. He is afraid of making mistakes. He thinks people will laugh at him. Because of this fear, Ravi stays quiet. One day at the office, something changes. Ravi's manager asks him to talk to a foreign client. Ravi feels nervous. His heart beats fast. He thinks, "My English is not perfect." But then he remembers something important. Perfect English is not required. Clear English is enough. Ravi decides to try. He speaks slowly, he uses simple words, he speaks politely. The client listens carefully. The client understands him clearly. The conversation goes well. After the call, Ravi feels proud. He smiles to himself. That day, Ravi learns a lesson. Making mistakes is normal. Staying silent is the real problem. From that day onward, Ravi practices English every day. He speaks to his colleagues, he talks to shopkeepers, he even talks to himself in English. Some days he makes mistakes. Some days he forgets words. But he does not stop. Slowly, his confidence grows. His English becomes better. His fear becomes smaller. Ravi understands one simple truth. English is not about being perfect. English is about communication. When you speak with confidence and kindness, people will listen. And when you practice every day, you will improve.